Hey there, guys. Welcome to today's tutorial, where I'll show you how to reduce your CPU temperature and prevent overheating, whether you're playing old-school classics or modern games. Let's dive right into it. For example, I'll show you gameplay from Need for Speed Most Wanted, released in 2005, and Assassin's Creed 3, released in 2012. These games are pretty old, right? But even with these games, my HP Victus 15 gaming laptop, released in 2023, still heats up to around 77 to 78 degrees Celsius with NFS Most Wanted, and even higher, about 81 to 82 degrees Celsius, while playing Assassin's Creed 3. Now, my display supports 144Hz refresh rate, but I limit it to 60 FPS. And guess what? My laptop still hits over 70 degrees Celsius during both games. Pretty frustrating, right? Overheating can seriously impact your CPU performance and damage your hardware over time. So today, I'm going to show you how to fix this, and these tips also work for newer games. Stick around, and I'll share simple tricks to reduce heat by up to 20 to 25 degrees Celsius and improve your laptop's overall lifespan. Step 1. Graphics settings. So if you're watching this video, I bet you've already tried lowering your game's graphics settings, right? But reducing graphics doesn't always solve the overheating issue, especially in older games like what I'm playing today. Step 2. NVIDIA Control Panel tweaks. First tip, let's tweak some settings. If you've got a dedicated graphics card, go to your taskbar and find the system tray icon for it. I'm using NVIDIA, so that's what I'll show here. Double-click the icon to open the NVIDIA Control Panel. Head over to Manage 3D Settings under the 3D section and adjust the settings I'll show on screen. After applying these changes, run your game again and check if the temperature drops. Step 3. Eco Quiet Mode. If you're still not seeing the results you want, the next step is to activate Eco Mode or Quiet Mode on your laptop. Instead of Performance Mode or the default setting, this will lower the clock speed of your CPU and use fewer resources. Sure, it might affect gameplay a little, but in most cases, the difference is barely noticeable. If you don't see any performance issues, keep these modes on. If your gameplay does suffer, you can switch back to Performance Mode as needed. Still running hot? Time for a fan speed boost. Increase your fan speed to cool down your CPU. Just remember to only crank it up when gaming. Running your fans at max speed constantly can wear them out over time, so only use this option when necessary. Step 5. Room temperature matters. Did you know that the room temperature also affects your CPU's heat levels? If your room is too warm, your laptop's fans will struggle to cool down the CPU because the air they're pulling in is already warm. So, gaming in a cooler room will help keep your CPU temperature down. If you game during the night when the ambient temperature is lower, that can also make a difference and help prevent overheating. Step 6. External cooling. And finally, if you want to go the extra mile, consider getting a cooling pad for your laptop. A cooling pad can help drop temperatures even further while maintaining your internal fan's longevity. Now, after following all these tips, let's test the results. I'll run some gameplay, and you'll see the temperature difference for yourself. Check it out. And there you have it. Simple ways to prevent overheating and keep your CPU cool, even while gaming. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.